Hi friends, let me show you my new pet hair dryer that I received for reviewing purposes. It is really convenient because when you give a bath to your pet, well, of course you want to dry his hair so, well, he won't be sick or anything. You get a glove to help dry his hair faster, okay? You get 4 different nozzles to get the air to where you really need it, okay? This is like several channels of air, a circular nozzle, just a wide nozzle, and another wider nozzle, okay? Depends on the size of your dog and the kind of hair that it has. It also has a heater, so the air will come heated. That's great. So if you live in a cold place, or if it's winter, when you really want to dry his hair, well, he will have a nice hot air treatment. Let's try it. Okay, so you just have to put the air filter here. Well, this is a replacement. It has a filter already, okay? Then connect the nozzle. Really easy here. Okay, and use the nozzle that you want to use. Install it like this. Really, really easy also. Okay, and you have the heating mode, so air will come out hot. Okay. It gets out mild hot. It's not really hot, so it won't harm your dog. And you have a regular mode down, so this will be air just at room temperature. And this dial will allow you to put more air or less air, okay? So we're going to try it with slow air, with not a lot of air, in heat mode, okay? So when you shower your dog, you will be able to dry his hair with the hair dryer, as you can see, okay? You can use this nozzle or this one, okay? Like a combo, like this, okay? So I think it's great that you are able to dry your pet's hair after you give him a bath, and you can even do it with warm air, so it will be more comfortable for him. Perfect. Thank you.